Did you know that simply changing your kitchen cabinet hardware can increase your satisfaction with the heart of your home by up to 40%? It's true, you don't always need a full-blown renovation to fall in love with your kitchen all over again. Sometimes it's the small, thoughtful touches that make all the difference. Think of it like adding that perfect antique find to your farmhouse table setting or refreshing your front porch with a brand new swing. It's about bringing in those little pops of personality and function that make your house feel like a home. In this video, we're diving into simple, yet impactful upgrades that will have you saying goodbye to kitchen envy and hello to a space you absolutely adore, all without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Now we've all been there. You walk into your kitchen and that feeling of, I wish, pops into your head. Maybe your cabinets look a little too stuck in the past or your countertops have seen better days. Perhaps your lighting is a bit dim, making it hard to chop those veggies for your famous Sunday supper. Or maybe, just maybe, you're tired of that one drawer that always seems to get jammed. These little frustrations can really add up and make you feel like a complete kitchen overhaul is the only answer. But trust me, there's a better way. Before you go tearing down walls and ordering a whole new set of custom cabinets, let's pause and take a breath. Because the truth is, you can achieve that dream kitchen feeling without the major renovation stress. It's all about focusing on those key elements that can instantly elevate your space and bring back that joyful feeling every time you walk in. So, are you ready to transform your kitchen from blah to, oh yeah, without the construction dust? Let's roll up our sleeves and unlock the potential that's already hiding in your kitchen. Let's talk about those simple upgrades that pack a serious punch. First up, cabinet hardware. It's amazing what a difference swapping out those old knobs and pulls can make. Think of them like jewelry for your cabinets. Go for sleek and modern with brushed nickel, or add a touch of rustic charm with oil-rubbed bronze. Next, let's brighten things up with lighting. Good lighting is everything in the kitchen. Consider adding under-cabinet lighting for a warm and inviting glow, or swap out that old fixture for a statement-making pendant light. Now let's talk backsplash. A beautiful backsplash is like the perfect piece of art for your kitchen. Subway tile is a classic for a reason, or go bold with a colorful mosaic. And don't forget about the power of paint. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders, whether you're refreshing cabinets or adding a pop of color to the walls. Last but not least, let's give those countertops some love. If replacing them isn't in the budget, consider refinishing or even adding a stylish cutting board or tray to create a focal point. Chapter 3. The most impactful upgrade. It's all about the faucet. Now for the upgrade that can truly transform your kitchen in the blink of an eye, the faucet. You might not realize it, but the faucet is like the centerpiece of your kitchen sink area. It's something you use every single day, multiple times a day. So why not make it something beautiful and functional? Swapping out an outdated faucet for a stylish and modern one can instantly elevate the entire look and feel of your kitchen. Think about the finish. Do you prefer the sleek look of stainless steel, the warmth of brass, or the timeless elegance of matte black? And don't forget about functionality. Consider a pull-down sprayer for easy washing or even a touchless faucet for ultimate convenience. Trust me, upgrading your faucet is a game changer. Chapter 4, Your Kitchen Refresh Checklist. Let's recap those key upgrades that will breathe new life into your kitchen without breaking the bank. First up, give those cabinets a makeover with fresh hardware. Remember, it's like jewelry for your kitchen. Next, let there be light. Upgrade your lighting with under-cabinet lights, pendant lights, or even just brighter bulbs. Don't forget the power of a stylish backsplash to add personality and protect your walls. And of course, that magical upgrade, the faucet. Choose a style and finish that you love and enjoy the everyday luxury it brings to your kitchen. Chapter 5. Small changes, big difference. Remember, creating a kitchen you love doesn't always require a complete overhaul. Sometimes it's the small, thoughtful changes that make the biggest difference. By focusing on these simple upgrades, you can refresh your kitchen without the stress and expense of a full renovation. So go ahead and give those cabinets a fresh coat of paint, swap out those old knobs, and treat yourself to a beautiful new faucet. You deserve a kitchen that brings you joy, and these simple touches can make it happen. And the best part? You can tackle these upgrades one at a time, at your own pace. Start with the one that speaks to you the most, and watch as your kitchen transforms into a space you absolutely love. Want row ready to refresh your kitchen? Well friends, I hope this video has inspired you to give your kitchen some love. Remember, you don't need a big budget or a complete renovation to create a space you adore. Sometimes it's the simplest touches that make the biggest difference. So go ahead and give your kitchen the refresh it deserves. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home improvement tips and inspiration. Happy renovating!